You are like a sacred fish trying to wear trousers in a country as foreign as land. Now that's a problem worth discussing. Your separation from love has ripened. Now fall like a golden fruit into my hands. And all your wounds from craving love, they exist because of heroic deeds. Now trade in all those medals, the courage you have learned from your pain will help this world. Why be a royal fish trying to wear pants? And you say, Angel, what are you talking about? Has something happened to your once brilliant mind?